Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your email address on OnlyFans step by step. First, open the OnlyFans app and make sure that you are logged in with your account. But if you have not logged in prior, you must log in using the same method you use when signing up. Once you land on the home page, tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. This will open the menu bar with different options. From there, tap on settings. You will now be on the settings screen with different options. Tap on account and this will open the account page. Once the account screen opens, you will see different sections like account info, linked accounts, connected accounts, security, and lastly, account management. Under the account info section, you will see further options like username, email, and phone number. From there, tap on email address. This opens the change email screen. Here you will see your current email address displayed with an update email address button just below it. Tap on that button. Then a confirmation message will appear with some instruction. Please make sure to read it, then tap next to continue. Now the process starts in 3 steps. First, OnlyFans will send a verification code to your current email address. Open your inbox and copy the code and enter it into the verification field within the given time limit. After entering the code, tap next. In the second step, enter your new email address in the email field. Once entered, tap next and it will verify your email address whether it is being used in other account or not, as well as it also may check that if the email address is genuine. After successfully verifying, again tap next. Now OnlyFans will send another verification code to your new email address. Again open the email, then copy the code while paste it in the verification field, then tap next. Once the verification is successful, you will see a confirmation message that your email address has been changed successfully. You can also go back to the account screen and check that the new email will be visible in the email field, and that's how you can change your email address on OnlyFans. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.